Acha, our next question.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, beloved Huzur.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
I'm Mubashir Ahmad. My question is regarding upholding the spirit of Waqf as a Waqf-e-Nau. How can we try and uphold the true spirit of life dedication, and how can we fight off worldly attractions?
See, well, before your birth, your parents dedicated your life, right? You must
Yes.
realize this fact. And after that, when you reach the age of 15, you renewed the bond of Waqf-e-Nau, right?
Yes, Huzur.
If you keep all these things in mind, then you will know that you are Waqf for the cause of the Jamaat. And for that, the first and foremost duty of a Waqf-e-Nau is to obey and follow and practice the commandments of Allah Ta'ala. Right? And Allah Ta'ala has given 700 or more commandments in the Holy Quran. There are quite a number of things which have been asked by a true believer to protect you from those things. And there are quite a number of commandments which a true believer is supposed to act upon them. Right?
Ji Huzur.
So, you can maintain the spirit of the Waqf-e-Nau when you realize this fact, that you have to follow the commandment and the injunctions given to us in the Holy Quran by Allah Ta'ala. And the first and foremost is to offer your 5 daily prayers. And the best way for the boys is to offer your 5 daily prayers in congregation. Right? This is the basic thing. If you are not doing this thing, you are not a true believer. Right?
Ji Huzur.
So keep this thing in mind, that you have to offer 5 daily prayers and pray to Allah fervently in those prayers that He save you from all the bad things and enable you to discharge your duties as a Waqf-e-Nau. Right? And you follow all the commandments of Allah Ta'ala. Secondly, you should also recite the Holy Quran daily. Right? And not only recite the Holy Quran in Arabic text, but also try to know the meaning of it. Right? And also try to maintain and establish the close bond with the Khilafat. Right?
Ji Huzur.
Always try to strengthen your bond with the Khilafat. And that can only be done if you are listening to all the addresses and speeches and whatever instructions given to you by the Khalifa of the time. Right? So in this way, you can strengthen your faith, and in this way, you can be a good Waqf-e-Nau. And even apart from that, I have given in my sermon in Canada almost 30 or so points that what is the level and standard of a Waqf-e-Nau should be. So you should try to read those instructions so that you try to become a good Waqf-e-Nau. Okay? How old are you? How old are you?
So, Huzur, I'm 18 years old.
18 years old. Acha, you look like 13 years old. Acha. 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 So what do you do? You are going to college or university?
Huzur, this year I have completed my secondary high school, and you have permitted me to study higher studies in biology. So I'm trying to admit it university this year.
You want to go into research, not medicine.
Ji Huzur. I want to go in research.
Acha, okay, that's good. Okay, so
Jazakumullah Huzur.
So you should try to read the instruction I have already given to you in my sermon in 2016 in Canada. I think
Ji Huzur.
that has been translated into Bangla language as well. And your in charge must have had this sermon, so you read it and it gives you the detailed instruction how a Waqf-e-Nau should be and how can he maintain the bond of Waqf-e-Nau, fulfill the duties or expectations which a Waqf-e-Nau is supposed to fulfill. Right?
Ji Huzur.
Okay, sit down.
Please pray for us.
Okay, Allah bless you.